In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Tradingview background. So the first thing you need to do is just on the screenshot, just right click. After you right click, go to the last option, which is the settings, then click on it. After you click on it, at the left side corner, click on canvas. After you click on canvas, then locate where the background is and then click on this little box. After you click on it, you are going to see a lot of background color options. You can choose the one that you like, whether it is blue or I know mostly people prefer either black or blue or white, sorry. So you can change it to black. This is London session, that's why you see it here, but yeah, you can change it to black, or I'll just leave it as white because I prefer it like that. And yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, please can like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.